guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Alex. I do lifestyle, beauty, and comedy videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today's video is about the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I know it's not a new foundation being reviewed all over social media as well as YouTube, but it's new in terms of the new shade range that is available in clicks. I am dark skinned, I am Indian, so I have darker skin tone, obviously, as you can probably see. This shade is mocha spelled weirdly. So guys, I'm wearing this foundation on my skin right now. It's pretty good match. It does oxidize a tad, so I obviously can finesse it with a little bit of powder or lighter powder. I went in with the foundation powder by MAC. I added I think 4 new shades, and I'm talking about not new shades as in new shades on the website or whatever, or brand new shades. It's new shades within the store. Previously there was just fair skin tones, there was no dark skin tones. I think that they need to add, this is South Africa, we have darker skinned people here, so I think that they could go a little bit darker. I am an in-between caramel and mocha. Caramel is a bit too light and mocha is a tad too dark, so I lighten it up with other foundations. But honestly, this wear time is amazing. The price is amazing. It's like about 100 rand. Good foundation that makes you look even. I look like I have no pores, but I have some pores. One thing that I wanted to say is that I hope that they add darker shades in the actual store, because we all want to try this foundation out, and there's so many other people that are darker than me that I know that would love to try this foundation out but can't. Anyway, if you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for tuning in, and I'm sorry this is a short one, but I love to see you in the next one. Bye.